Now finally, at the end of chapter, I would like to tell you that how we can apply the Venn diagram for solving the word problems. Here is in a group of 800 people. So universal set is this, having a set of 800 people. 550 can speak English. Suppose this is showing the number of persons can speak English, and this is showing that the number of people that can speak Hindi, H. Suppose this part A is showing that persons can speak English but not Hindi. B is the common part, means those persons which can speak both the languages. C is the part where the person can speak only Hindi, not English. So I can say A plus B plus C is how much? 800. Because in a group of 800, so A plus B plus C is 800. 550 can speak Hindi. So Hindi means B plus C. B plus C is how much? 550. 450 can speak English. English means A plus B. So this A plus B is how much? 450. If I ask you to add these last two equations, you will get A plus B plus C plus B. A plus B plus C plus B. 550 and this become 1000. Now in place of A plus B plus C, we can put 800. So this become 800 plus B is 1000, hence B is equals to 200. And B is that number of people who can speak both the languages. So answer is that both the languages can be spoken by 200 people. So if we put B 200 here in this equation, so 200 when subtracted, answer of C will be what? 200 when subtracted from 550, it will be 350. If B is substituted here, the answer of A will be, that is 200 minus this is what? 150. So number of person who can speak only English 150, can speak only Hindi 350, can speak both the languages is 200. So we can extend the Venn diagram for solving the problems even for 2, 3, 4 or any number of sets.